Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about SN1 reaction. Substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reaction SN1. S stands for substitution, N stands for nucleophilic. 1 indicate it follow first order reaction. How we can explain this? First of all, we take tertiary alkyl halide CH3 thrice CBr 2-bromo-2-methyl propane react with nucleophile or strong base hydroxide ion. It gives tertiary alcohol by leaving group bromide ion. This reaction takes place in two steps. Step 1. This step 1 is slow step reaction. It is slow step reaction. Slow step reaction means it decides rate of the reaction. Means rate determining step. Rate determining step. In first step, 2-bromo-2-methyl propane form carbocation and release bromide ion. CH3 thrice CBr tertiary alkyl halide step 1 slow step, it form carbocation CH3 having carbon have positive charge. This is tertiary carbocation and release bromide ion. We know that in this step, this tertiary alkyl halide form tertiary carbocation. This tertiary carbocation is highly stable. It is highly stable. Why we know that? We all know that each methyl group is electron releasing group. So they donate electron towards carbocation. So charge on carbon is dispersed. So it is highly stable. So tertiary carbocation is always highly stable as compared to primary and secondary alkyl halide. These are slow steps, and the energy which required to bond broken between carbon and bromine is obtained from protic solvent. So this entire reaction, SN1 reaction, take place in solvent which are polar in nature, right? In the second step reaction, step number 2, this second step reaction is fast reaction. In second step reaction, this tertiary carbocation react with nucleophile OH- ion and form tertiary alcohol, which is our main product. OH- ion nucleophile react with tertiary carbocation CH3 tertiary carbocation form tertiary alcohol CH3 thrice COH 2-methyl propane 2 ol 2-methyl propane 2 ol tertiary alcohol. So here we get tertiary alcohol or 2-methylpropane 2OL after the end of this reaction. Here we know that two-step reaction. In first step, tertiary alkyl halide form carbocation, and the second step, this carbocation react with nucleophile and form tertiary alcohol. Here we can say that hydroxide ion is strong nucleophile as comparison to halide. So we get alcohol from alkyl halide. This reaction takes place in two steps. First one, slow step reaction which form carbocation. Tertiary carbocation always possess greater stability and therefore they are stable in nature. And the second step, this carbocation react with hydroxide ion and form alcohol. The rate of this reaction depends only single step. Step number 1, which are rate determining step or slow step. If number of carbocation form in less number, then we can say that our product obtained, which is called tertiary alcohol, is less in proportion. The rate of this reaction depends on the concentration of tertiary carbocation or our main substrate tertiary alkyl halide. This rate of reaction does not depend on the nucleophile OH minus ion because of if number of carbocation is less, then our product obtained tertiary alcohol is also less. So here we can say that only in first step and the second step, our rate determining step is first one, and we can say that only tertiary carbocation is formed is very important to formation of final product. If this tertiary carbocation is less in number, then we get less our product. Therefore, rate of reaction depends only one component called substrate, our main substrate tertiary alkyl halide, and this is independent in the concentration of hydroxide ion or nucleophile. So we can say that rate of this reaction directly proportional to the tertiary alkyl halide or our main substrate. CH3 thrice CBr. Therefore, rate equal to constant tertiary alkyl halide. Its exponent is 1, therefore it is first order reaction. It is first order reaction. It is first order reaction. This entire reaction take place in solvent which are polar in nature because of from this CBr bond is broken with the help of energy gained from the proton solvent. So this reaction take place in protic solvent. This reaction happen in two steps. Step number 1, which is rate determining step, and step number 2, which is fast reaction. This reaction take place in two steps. In two steps. So these are the complete information about substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reaction SN1. Thank you.